Let's assume that United States and China have the same GDP. Both of them has a GDP equivalent to $23 trillion. Hypothetically, we assume that they are the same. Therefore, do you remember from our GDP approaches video? We have three approaches: production approach, expenditure approach, and income approach. Therefore, based on these three approaches of GDP, can we say that the total production in the United States is the same as the total production in China? Yes, because in this example they have equal GDP. Can we say that the total expenditure in the United States is the same as the total expenditure in China? Yes, because they have the same GDP. Can we say that the total income in United States is the same as the total income in China? Yes, because they have GDP. Our last question, can we say that the average income in United States is the same as the average income in China? So some of you will say, no, that's not true. The average income is different. In United States, people get a higher average income compared to the average income in China. So why we cannot say that although these two countries have the same GDP, the same production of goods and services in total, but they have different average income? Because they have different population. So in United States, what's the population? 333 million. So this means that this 333 million contributed or produced goods and services of $23 trillion. But what about China? They have 1.4 billion person. So this means that this 1.4 billion person produced $23 trillion of goods and services. Therefore, in order to reflect what will be the average income, we need to get our GDP divided by population. And this is called GDP per capita or GDP per person. Therefore, for United States, it will be 23 trillion divided by 333 million. This will give us 69,000. While for China, I will get exactly the same GDP, $23 trillion divided by 1.4 billion person. So this will give us 16.3 thousand. Therefore, we could say that the GDP per capita in the United States is bigger than the GDP per capita in China. Therefore, the average income in the United States is bigger than the average income in China.